To all employers, my name is Anu Maribao, 28 years old. I'm a single with two children, two sons, 7 years old and 10 years old. I am Catholic, high school graduate, and I live in San Jose Occidental, Mindoro, Philippines. I have work experience in MIT as a domestic helper and a Middle Kuwait City. I've served in 3 years and 9 months. I'm starting to work to my first employer March 15, 2022 to February 2026. I've served two members in the family, which is 65 years old and 45 years old. My duty and responsibility is ironing, cleaning, washing dishes, and also I have work experience here in the Philippines, taking and caring the children and 6 years old. To my future employers, if you hire me as a helper, you can trust with me and taking of your children and treat her as a family too. I will promise I finish 2 years contract as long as you want me to your family. I am kindness, dedicated to work, hardworking, respectful, loving, caring. I can follow the rules and instructions, and I'm willing to learn a lot of things. Thank you and God bless to your family.